brothers and sisters of Wakirike Nation decided that we should come together and formally honor our own. Somebody who has helped bring peace to our land. Somebody who has helped to bring peace to the Niger Delta. Somebody who has sacrificed in reaching out to the poor, to the indigent, to widows. We felt that just saying thank you is not enough. That we should call our kith and kin from across the generation, from across River State. And today, we are glad that your traditional rulers are here fully represented. Your Excellency, permit me, on behalf of the Kirikese people, to congratulate you again and again and again. You have shown, and you said it, that no price is too small to pay for peace. I am not surprised, because you are a knight of Christ. You carry the sword to protect the Christian faith. We are proud of you. We, the Niger people, are proud of you. And by the grace of the God that you serve, you will not only complete your tenure of first 4 years, you will complete the second one. And when the Niger people come back after your second tenure, we shall say whether we want to send you to somewhere else at federal level to continue to serve us, because you're too young to retire after 8 years. My dear brothers and sisters, I welcome you to this ceremony. Today is a day of celebration for our people. I want you to relax, enjoy the cultural display, and join us to honor our great king, King Ateke Tom. Thank you very much, and may God bless you all.